Hi, I'm Keith.
And I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the Solitaire Concept House. This is our getaway on the south shore of Nova Scotia.
So it's environmentally friendly, it's energy efficient, and entirely off the grid. All of our electricity comes from the sun, so we have solar panels outside that store energy in the batteries. One of the many unique features you'll see is the green roof. The biggest benefit of this is it helps keep the house cooler in the summertime. So it also protects the roof membrane from getting too hot or too cold. It also produces oxygen for us.
This thing operates for about $150 a year. It's a 3-bedroom, 1,500 square foot house on one level.
And a bit of an experiment. Being architects ourselves and designing it for ourselves, we want to do a little bit of experimentation of things that we didn't want to try out on clients necessarily. I think it's accurate to describe the style as eclectic. So almost everything you touch in here has some history to it. The bed head is a beautiful old pipe organ screen. The bed frame itself are from old teacher's desks.
Our bathroom is kind of quirky. It scared a few people walking in. I think people think we're a little bit wacky sometimes when we find these things. We used a lot of recycled product, salvage materials.
So these beautiful old sliding doors are nearly 170 years old, but they give a great sense of privacy and take up a lot less floor space than a swinging door would.
So if we continue through to the kitchen, my favorite space certainly to be in. The stainless countertop actually came from a convent in Halifax. The cabinet was from a hospital that was demolished, and the sign was actually in a dumpster at the signage company. Together with a little bit of design work, have really created a great island to work around. The Bunkie is one of my favorite projects, utilizing as much salvage material as possible. It's a great little getaway. It itself is off-grid as well.
One of the things we love about the property is our access to the woods, so we often do a wander through the backwoods here.
It's like a meditation walk, isn't it, sometimes? And arriving at one of my favorite places.
So all of our water for the house comes from this well. And if we ever do need water outside, we've got a hand pump that pumps straight from the well.
I use that pump or some of the collected rainwater to fill up my retreat, being the salvaged clawfoot tub that you see here. It is just positioned perfectly for a view of the saltwater inlet, because this is my retreat. And one of the nicest parts is that we've been awarded the Lieutenant Governor's Award for Nova Scotia for the design of the house as well. We wanted to build a house to show that they can in fact be positive impacts on the environment and not negative, and we're really happy to say we've achieved that here.